Hey guys, Henry from Adventure Air here, and we have some new exciting merchandise for you to look at today. And this is stuff that we highly recommend, and it is rotor bag covers for your rotor. And we've got wheel chocks here, and we also have pitot tubes. And these are all handmade here in beautiful Southern California, and we have different variations on them. The wheel chocks and all you can get plain. You can also have these things with the IN number of your aircraft on them too as well, or you can kind of say anything you want to them. You can say AutoGyro or ELA or Magni or whatever you want on them. Different styles we have. There's three or four different styles of the rotor bags. When you can get them just plain with nothing, you can get this this kind of a thick bag with the stripe on here. You can get it with this fluorescent tape and the stripe. And also that can come with the IN number of the aircraft here. We have one in the airplane here. The fourth kind of bag is this soft bag. It's a little bit softer. It's easier to roll up and stow. And we have these bags. The bags range in price from $80 to $130, and there's information that you can see below. They are made from Sunbrella canvas, and they're very, very good, high quality stuff. The wheel chocks are aircraft grade aluminum here, powder coated, so it's really good quality things. So look below for more information, and Jeremy's going to do a little close-up and information on all the stuff we have for you. And if you want one, you can contact. The website is actually it's an email account, 3D Gyro Pilot Corp at gmail.com. You can see the email address below here, 3D Gyro Pilot Corp at gmail.com. Get some of these, you won't regret it.